Samsung has officially confirmed that it will launch the Galaxy S25 FE earlier than last year's Fan Edition model, which was unveiled on September 26th. Now, a new report from South Korea claims the Galaxy S25 FE will debut on September 19, 2025, exactly 1 week ahead of the S24 FE. While some fans may have hoped for a release in early September or even August, this still marks a notable shift in Samsung's launch strategy. The S24 FE became available globally on October 3rd, so if this report refers to the actual retail availability, the S25 FE could hit shelves a little earlier than its predecessor. Although the global release date hasn't been confirmed yet, if Samsung sticks to its traditional rollout pattern, international availability should follow closely behind the Korean launch. Interestingly, tariffs and to capitalize on the strong performance of the Galaxy S25 series in its domestic market. Introducing a more affordable model at this time could help Samsung appeal to a broader range of customers. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy S25 FE is expected to be released in South Korea for less than 1 million Korean won, which roughly translates to around $721 or 620 euros. Globally, the price may either remain consistent with the S24 FE or see a slight increase depending on regional pricing strategies and tax policies. Powering the device will likely be Samsung's Exynos 2400 processor, offering a modest performance improvement over the Exynos 2400E variant used in the previous model. The display is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and protection via Gorilla Glass Victus. The camera setup is expected to remain familiar, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and OIS. However, one of the key upgrades will be the 12-megapixel front-facing camera, replacing the older selfie sensor from the S24 FE. Battery-wise, the S25 FE is rumored to include a 4,500 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the previous models, but now supporting 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging, making up for the reduced capacity with faster charging speeds. In terms of dimensions, the device is expected to measure 161.3 by 76.6 by 7.4 millimeters and weigh 190 grams, making it thinner, shorter, narrower, and lighter than its predecessor. It will retain an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 FE will likely ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16. Design-wise, Samsung is reportedly adopting a sleeker aesthetic similar to the Galaxy S25 Edge, giving the Fan Edition a more premium and modern look. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for daily Samsung updates. Peace out.